Hello, Scooters is Cool here, and welcome to another reaction video. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing fingerless gloves, it's because it's the middle of winter here in Australia and it can get pretty chilly in the house. But anyway, today I'm going to be filming my reaction to Pinkie Discovers Roast Chicken. Now, before I start recording my reaction, I just want to point out that my internet is kind of slow at this time of the month, so it took me a long time to get this video to load. So if there's any like cuts between sections or anything like that, it's just because the internet kind of just shut itself on me, and yeah, but that's okay. So anyway, let's continue.
Can you believe the new baby is finally here? Cupcake and carrot cake must be so gay. I wonder if it's a filly or a filly. I want to see the new baby penis. I want to see.
Need our sus pound dog.
Doom!
and our daughter penis cake.
Oh God.
Two new fools for me to fool with? That's
Cheers!
This is the greatest day ever! We need to celebrate your birthday, bitches! Because you were just born today! Woohoo! The babies are trying to slittle. Now, how in thunder fucks is one of them?
How in thunder fucks?
Red corn.
Easy. My grandfather was a unicycle and
Fathers, brothers, nephews, cousins, former roommate.
was a grandfather. That makes sense, right?
No, I mean, your wife's a door.
Just you wait. Once little pound cake there gets his dick going, he'll be pounding my cake. Oh. Tons of fun.
Whoa, it's evil! I want to see a shot at that.
Chicken.
What?
Who needs a diaper change? Oh.
You're making
Funny faces.
I have one.
Needs to be burnt.
Watch where you walking, bitch.
Freaky.
Who would be available on such short notice?
Whoa, what?
I would love it.
Now, when there's
Over 9,000.
hungry caterpillars heading this way, hey, I gotta get all these apples picked before they get swarmed on.
Oh no.
The other day, I killed my dog.
Wow! No.
You're probably not going to hear this because I'm going to mute it in the video, but still.
I used to be an adventurer like you.
Oh God damn it. Ouija, what?
Dinkus, you.
Nom nom nom.
I'll have to check my...
Beat us.
Responsibility is my middle name.
Bender Bending Rodriguez.
I know.
Take good care of our two precious little gingers.
Teachers have souls.
What? Yeah, when that happens. Bubble exploded! Ah! Ew.
These babies just won't listen to retard and don't even get started on their taste in cock.
What?
Did you see me escaping? I was all like,
This is a crib. It is only to be used for napping, sleeping, and on occasion with permission, napping. So, fuck you.
Spider pig. Spider.
Rawr. Pinkie.
Bitch.
Dear Princess Celestia, I've always had fun playing with little kids.
And that was Pinkie Pie discovers roast chicken, despite the fact that this has nothing to do with chicken. I think. Anyway, so yeah. Luckily, that went off without a hitch, so my name's Cool, and I'll see you next time.